Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Myself Venkatesh, and today our topic is error occurred during installation of boot layer. And I have already explained the same topic in my last video, but let me solve the problem live and show you that you will understand better. And first of all, why we are getting this error? Actually, the error is common among Java and Eclipse users, and also multiple users have reported that the error appear because of Java version you are using. Suppose some X version is not suitable, and issue is also related to classes, path, and various other things. So in this video, I'll give you a solution for this error. See here guys, here we are getting error occur during installation of boot layer in this code. But we are using some basic code only. For this we are getting this error, and once again I'll run this program so that you may understand. See, in this code we are getting this error, but there is not that much code. Here we are using some main method and string first name last name, and we are given printout. So now I'll tell you the process. Go to the project, and next we go to build path and configuration build path, and here in module path we need to remove this library. Remove it and select again module path and add library and JRE library system, and we need to select execution environment and finish it and apply and close. See, now error got clear, right? So let me run it. See, now we are getting output. So now we have cleared the errors and the output has been printed. So that's it guys. Thank you.